Hey everyone, welcome to our first vlog video. In this vlog we're going to show you what we do on a week-by-week basis in our adventures. Bye!
So, we just left our home base.
On the road!
This is exciting and scary at the same time. So, let's see where we're gonna sleep tonight.
Start the trip!
Woo! Busy by night. Good morning! So we slept with like the laundry hanging above us on a Bunnings parking lot. How did you sleep, Patrick?
Awesome! Living on the road again.
So now we go to Bunnings!
Our usual spot.
Yeah. Bye bye, Brisbane! Good morning! Wake up, Freitags. So today we're going on hikes.
We made it to our first stop in Diagular National Park, which is McAfee's Lookout. We wanted to go to Bellbird Grove, but it's under construction. Didn't check that beforehand.
We made it to Jolly's Lookout.
We were at the Pitta Circuit.
And we just learned that the eucalypt forest needs fire, so it helps them grow.
Ranger Yelle at your rescue.
Actually, it's pretty cold today, and we're the only ones here at the moment. So here you can see the eucalypt forest, and now coming into the rainforest. It's darker.
Ranger Yelle.
Let's go, Patrick!
So this is a 200 to 400 year old strangler fig. And strangler figs actually hijack a tree. So there is a tree growing inside of there. And the strangler figs just kind of clamber up along it and kill that tree. But this one's so old that there's no more tree inside of it. And it's huge.
Off to the next hike. Our next track, the Greenies. How do you say that? Greenies Falls track. Thanks. Look at this. That's the Ivanhoe lookout. What a beautiful sunset. We are in the middle of nowhere.
These are our normal high beams. Find another straight stretch of road here. And this is what it looks like with our driving lights. Much better.
Yeah, it's very helpful. Morning!
Morning!
This is our third morning in Vanlife, and we just made breakfast and gonna show you where we woke up. We had a little campfire last night and we still smell like it. So it's really nice that in Kilcoy, where we are now, there are hot showers, free hot showers. That's where we're going. They're right there. So after our nice shower, we drove to another national park and now we're going for the tunnel track. How do you feel, Patrick?
Good.
How are you feeling?
Amazing. Fresh.
Today we parked at the beach on the Sunshine Coast and it's really pretty. Right, Patrick?
Amazing.
Yeah. So we already installed our new bar table in the back of the van. Now we're gonna have lunch.
So we've made it back to the bottom. Nobody got hurt.
So pretty now in the sunlight. Now we're gonna walk back to the car and try to find a shower. Probably it's gonna be a cold shower.
Yay.
Good morning. Wake up, Patrick. How are you feeling today?
Amazing.
We are so sore from the hike. But we slept in a really nice spot. And it's right by the water. Look at this view. So I'm gonna make breakfast now and hope Patrick can get up later. Hello.
Just a little stroll along the beach.
Sunshine close. It's pretty.
Hello.
We stayed at the Sunshine House. Is that at the Dog Beach?
There's so many people there this morning. Oh.
We came to this rock. It's pretty. Exploring the Sunshine Coast.
So what happened?
There was a huge wave and I fell into a gap.
Uh-oh. Flood spot on the rock. Yucky. What are you doing?
So today we actually haven't done much. After my injury I couldn't do much, I couldn't walk. Now I'm actually back walking at least, and we got a visitor, which is exciting because you won't see many of these on the road. And there's actually another one, I'll show you. So this one's ours, and ta-da, there's another one. Hi Snacks!
Shopping day.
Yeah, so we've been on the road for a week now. We ended our first week with a visit in the hospital, which was awesome. So they scrubbed my wound. How do you say wound? Yeah. They scrubbed it, which was the worst. And the doctor didn't seem to be too competent. So yeah, I got like some dressing on it and we'll have to wait until it's healed. Can't go into the ocean or do much hiking. Can't even wear shoes except flip-flops, like thongs. That's it. And today it's a rainy day. So we're basically not doing anything besides shopping, getting some spare parts, and we want to do... What do you want to do?
Maultaschen!
We can Maultaschen later. We already had some for dinner. And we definitely need a shower. Look at our hair. So we're gonna head to Noosa tomorrow because we heard there's like a free hot shower.
Which we will definitely be using.
Oh yes. We decided to start this vlog because of all the travel restrictions, because of the coronavirus. so people from overseas can't come into the country anymore. And as we are here and traveling the country, we want to share our adventures with you. So even people from Melbourne can't go to Queensland at the moment and can't explore all of it. So we'll take you with us on a week-to-week basis and show you what we do, how we manage the van life, and what adventures we do. If you like this video, feel free to give us a like, subscribe, hit the bell so you get a notification every single time we upload a video. And now they're more than just mechanical work videos. And you could also follow us on Instagram at jp_adventures19. Stay tuned for more videos!